Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Turley, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Skyatoke, Turley, Ramona, Vera, Illigaw, Collinsville, Sperry, Owasso, Tulsa. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.